Welcome to another video, guys, and welcome to Beautiful Mow Cop. And this is the last vlog of 2024. Only 9 hours to go. About an hour and a half ago, I've just watched the wonderful fireworks over Sydney Harbour. In Australia, it's 2025 already. Come with me, let's go and check out Mow Cop. Currently using the Osmo Pocket 3. Let's check out some of the signs. So, seen for miles. It's a castle folly at Mow Cop, and it was built in 1754 as a summer house by Randall Wilbraham of Road Hall. Designed to look like a ruined castle to enhance the views from Road Hall, and the family held picnics and entertainment. And they entertained their friends here as well. How cool is that? At the time, the family carried out work to maintain the castle, but by the end of the 19th century, it was falling into disrepair. In 1923, this area of land and the section over the road, which includes the old Manor Mow, was sold to a Mr. Joe Lovett for quarrying. And this upset the local people for many years who'd got access to the site. And from then formed the Mow Cop Preservation Committee. And quarrying eventually stopped in 1937, and the land, including the castle, was given the National Trust, and it's been public access ever since. Right, let's have a look. There's only one other car up here, and it is pretty windy today. So yeah, I'm using the Osmo Pocket 3. Doing a little bit of a test. I'm going to use the iPhone up at the top to get some views and zoom in with the 5x zoom. And I want to just see how easy it is when I come to do the editing to combine the Osmo Pocket footage and the iPhone. So obviously when we head to Australia in a month's time, I want to check and make sure all works good. Right, so come with me on this steep climb to the top, and it's getting pretty windy up here. Now we've got the active track on, so however I hold the Osmo Pocket 3 should get us bang on. Hopefully the mic's doing a good job. It's definitely windy up here. And out of breath as well. Right, I'm now switched to iPhone, and we're going to have a look at the 5x zoom. So over there in the distance we're looking at Wales. It's not really that clear today. And I'm guessing the Liverpool area is going to be somewhere over there. A little bit windy to hold the iPhone still today. And you can see Jodrell Bank in the distance. So yeah, I just thought the last vlog has got to be the favourite place of mine here at home, overlooking the beautiful Mow Castle. According to the iPhone, we're getting 23-mile-an-hour gusts, but as the night continues, there's going to be a lot higher gusts than that. How amazing is this? So I'm using the iPhone with the Rode wireless micro mics. It's really windy, so hopefully doing a pretty amazing job. Somebody's left some fresh flowers there. How spectacular is that? And when it's not so windy, what I would love to do here is fly the FPV drone and maybe go through the middle windows there at Mow Cop. It's seriously gusty now. Right, we're back onto Osmo Pocket. Let's head up to the castle up here. So you can't believe this was a summer house for the people who lived at Road Hall. Now, I've never visited Road Hall. It's actually almost blown me off the steps here. And how cool is that? Look at that right inside Mow Castle. Pretty scary up here actually, it's that windy. Got to hold on to this railing. Beautiful house across there, I've never noticed that before, where that's been built new. Floor to ceiling windows, fabulous view of the castle. Imagine living there, waking up in the morning and looking at Mow Cop. That's absolutely amazing. So yeah, this weather has cancelled Hogmanay in Edinburgh, and the Blackpool fireworks completely cancelled. But from what I can see, London fireworks are still going ahead. Let's just flip the camera over to Mow Castle there. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, I don't know whether I'd be brave enough to fly the drone up into that top window there. Fortunately the gates are on to try and retrieve it, but maybe we could get through that window. Wow, the wind is getting really gusty now. Right, let's head on back down. Let's just check out the view. Looking out towards Congleton and Biddulph over there. It really is a very special place. Right, flicking back to iPhone 16 Pro Max. One-time zoom. Let me know in the comments which is the best footage and maybe which is the best sound quality. Yeah, pretty amazing place around here. And of course Manchester Airport is going to be directly in front of us there. And again, we are so lucky to be living in Kidsgrove and having this spectacular scenery and the folly of Mow Cop. Right, back to Osmo Pocket 3 with the wireless mic attached, and again hopefully the sound's coming quite well. A little bit of drizzle in the air. I'm so glad I can bring the last video of 2024 to you from beautiful Mow Cop. Time to reflect now on what we've done this year. It's been an absolute amazing year. We had a wonderful time in Australia. That was back in March and April. Fabulous time in Orlando just for the weekend. And of course, in August, September, over to California, absolutely loved it. Been to lots of places around the area. And I think really what I've enjoyed doing this year was making the Kidsgrove the Bygone Days with Dave. And that continues in January. We're starting on Colpert Hill, so make sure you get tuned into that one. Hopefully you're going to be filming this Sunday or Sunday after, depending on weather. But I reckon we've got probably another year full, 2025, making memories with Dave, so that should be good. Well, hopefully you've enjoyed the channel so far. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing and helping us. Next year, back to Australia in April, quick trip to California, New York City, and of course back to LA, Vegas and San Fran in August and September, and hopefully capturing more of the spectacular area for you guys. So all I can say is all the best for 2025. Happy New Year, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video real soon.